So what's going on, guys or buddies? So today in this video I'm going to give you introduction to DaVinci Resolve. Welcome to this DaVinci Resolve tutorial, and this will be the introduction to DaVinci Resolve, and this will be especially for those who have switched from other softwares like Adobe Premium. I'm going to cover everything, like from where to download and what page does what things. Video till end, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. So let's dive in. So to download DaVinci Resolve, you can download it from anywhere. You can either download it from its website of Blackmagic. Search DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve. So here's the website of Blackmagic Design. Okay. Can either download it from here or simply go in your app store or any app downloading software. Search DaVinci Resolve. And you can download it from here also. Okay. Now there are two versions of DaVinci Resolve. One is the free version and one is the paid version, the DaVinci Resolve Studio. It can cost around you 30,000 or 29,000. You can download it from the website also. And we are going to do everything in the free version of DaVinci Resolve, so don't worry to buy anything. If you want to buy the studio version, you can. I use the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So I have already downloaded and I do not need to download, and the free version of DaVinci Resolve is enough. Like, you get enough features in it, like color grading, the fusion tab, and many more features. Just there is a little bit difference between the paid version and the free version. In the paid version you can get like some additional features that help a lot, like subtitles and etc. Now when you have downloaded the DaVinci Resolve Studio or the free version, okay, you have to open it. You get an icon like this. And here is a project manager. All projects are here. If you are if you have downloaded it right now, you will just see this untitled project. Okay, double click on it, create. Okay, now this is the interface of DaVinci Resolve. Okay, get this DaVinci Resolve all tabs. So it will be a studio version. Here it will be written DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. Now these are all the tabs. Okay, this is our media pool, and here you drag your media, drag and drop, or you can right click on it and import media, or go in file and import media from here. Okay, there are many ways. And this is a viewer, this is our timeline. Here you can create the layers. Here one area is for video and one is for audio. So let's start with the media. This media page, obviously from the name of the page you can get it that we are dragging the media in it. We are like organizing the media in our media page. In this all 7 pages, only 5 are being used and 2 are not to be used. Like this cut page, here you can make simple cuts and editing, and we are going to ignore these 2 pages, the media page and the cut page. Your most work will be done in this edit page. Okay, these are our keyframes, and this is the DaVinci Resolve's free sound library, but I have not it's not here. So if you want to download it, it will take it to its website and you have to just enter your all details. Okay, right now I don't need that. and this is your effect tab. Okay, let me close this. Here you can get your effects. We can also add plugins in DaVinci Resolve, different plugins, and can download it from online. There are paid plugins and free plugins, and when you download the DaVinci Resolve, I recommend that you should download the starter pack of plugin. It's totally free. Search for starter pack of DaVinci Resolve. It's a plugin that includes this all, like you can get this toolbox, and when you will drop your this effects tab, you will see this video editor starter pack if you have downloaded the free starter pack plugin, and in it you get this free starter pack. Some you get some this go in the titles. I will show you. Go here in the titles. These are our normal titles. In the starter pack, we get this 36 gradient backgrounds, okay, and clean motion. Like these are some effect for text. These are essentials. Some icons. Some infographics like bar graph and chart bar horizontal. These are some pointers. Social media and styled text. If you have downloaded the magic subtitle plugin, you get these all magic subtitles. Okay, these are some subtitles you get. Okay, obviously you cannot create the magic subtitles in the free version of DaVinci Resolve because it will ask you for the studio version. So let's go back to the edit page, and these are generators, and you can get all effects and everything here. You can get these audio effects also. There are tons of effects in DaVinci Resolve. Now let's come to this inspector. Okay, this is our inspector. You can you can edit things from here, like crop and zoom in, zoom out, and add some you can position the things. Okay, and this is our viewer. You can see all things there, and the same thing, the timeline. And this is our fusion page. Now this is the most main page of DaVinci Resolve, and it uses your CPU more. Like it has more CPU usage, and you can get the inspector and everything here, and you get nodes here. You can create, if you have seen motion graphics and etc. So everything is made here. I made a background, okay, motion graphic, 3D cameras and etc. And this is our color page. This is what makes DaVinci Resolve really popular. Here you can get these all effects. You can in DaVinci Resolve the color grading is node based, so it gives a good render also. Adobe Premium, it has many crashes, so I prefer DaVinci Resolve more than the Adobe. And these are all our features of it. See, here is our viewer. You can open the media pool from here also. We got LUTs, the LUTs of DaVinci Resolve, built-in LUTs. Okay, and now the audio page. I call it audio, but it's the Fairlight page. Now you can here edit the audio you have in your project in this page. And lastly, we have this delivery page. Okay, here you can add a file name, select the audio file, video, Okay, you can select the format, codec, resolution, frame rates, and etc. Then you can add it to the render queue and export it. And here you can get your this settings at timeline format. Like right now it's for HD. You can make 4K videos ultra HD. Okay, and if you want to make short form content, just select this, use vertical resolution. You can get all the features here. Okay, so I will now close DaVinci Resolve. Now for to run DaVinci Resolve smoothly, you need some good system specs. Like at least you should have 8 GB RAM in your computer, at least, or it will work very slowly. And if you have a low end computer, so you can only use HD. I prefer using HD if you have a low end computer. Like my one, it can support 4K also. Okay, so this was the introduction to DaVinci, and if you liked it, so hit the like and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.